my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. Hugh Laurie. Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. Terry Wogan. Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is.
Excuse me.
My name is. James Bond.
Can I have the attention of the class?
Sorry. My name
For 1
is.
second.
Pardon? My name is. The Posh Bird.
Hi kids, do you like violence?
Yeah.
Want to see me stick 9-inch nails through each one of my eyelids? Want to copy me and do exactly like I did? Try Sid and get fucked up worse than my life is? My brain's dead weight. I'm trying to get my head straight, but I can't figure out which Spice Girl I want to impregnate. And Dr. Dre said, Slim Shady, you a basshead. Then why's your face red, man? You wasted. Well, since age 12, I felt like I'm someone else, because I hung my original self from the top bunk with a belt. Got pissed off and ripped Pamela Lee's tits off and smacked her so hard I knocked her clothes backwards like crisscross. I smoke a fat pound of grass and fall on my arse faster than a fat bitch who sat down too fast. Come here, slut.
Shady, wait a minute, that's my girl doll.
I don't give a fuck. God sent me to piss the world off.
Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. Keith Chegwin. Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. Ron Weasley. Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. Bob Holness. Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. The Posh Bird.
My English teacher wanted to have sex in junior high. The only problem was my English teacher was a guy, so I slapped him in the face with an eraser, chased him with a stapler, and stapled his nuts to a stack of paper.
Ow.
Walked in the strip club, had my jacket zipped up, flashed the bartender and stuck my dick in her tip cup. Extraterrestrials killing pedestrians, raping lesbians while they screaming,
Let's just be friends.
99% of my life I was lied to. I just found out my mum does more dope than I do. I told her I'd grow up to be a famous rapper, make a record about doing drugs and name it after her. You know you blew up when the women rushed the stands and tried to touch your hands like some screaming Usher fans. This guy at White Castle asked me for my autograph, so I signed it. Dear Dave, thanks for the support, arsehole.
Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. Les Dawson. Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. Stewie Griffin. Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. David Attenborough. Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name is. The Posh Bird.
Stop the tape. This kid needs to be locked away. Dr. Dre, don't just stand there, operate. I'm not ready to leave. It's too scary to die. I'll have to be carried inside the cemetery and buried alive. Am I coming or going? I can barely decide. I just drank a fifth of vodka. Dare me to drive?
Go ahead.
All my life I was very deprived. I ain't had a woman in years. My palms are too hairy to hide. Clothes rip like the Incredible Hulk. I spit when I talk. I fuck anything that walks. When I was little I used to get so hungry I would throw fits. How you gonna breastfeed me, mum? You ain't got no tits. I lay awake and strap myself in the bed. Put a bulletproof vest on and shoot myself in the head. Blow steaming mad. And by the way, when you see my dad, tell him I slit his throat in this dream I had.
Hi, my name is. Sorry. My name is. Pardon? My name